Hi everyone, welcome to MK Tutorials YouTube channel. So this is JavaScript interview questions and answer series. Here we are going to see commonly asked JavaScript questions and interview. Now we are in a question number 13. Let's get started. Question: how to extract some fields from given JSON object and make a new array. So in JavaScript we will use map method to achieve this scenario. So we are using that map method, that map inside that map method, which and what field we required, so that field only we need to return. So finally it will make one new array and we just use that in a real-time scenario. So you can note it down. This is a day-to-day life in a UI developer, or if you are a front-end developer. So we are using these concepts in a JavaScript. So here I am going to say some example for that real-time use cases. So in your project you want to call an API. That API definitely will return that result as a some object. So inside that some data, some status, some everything values inside that object only. So you just want to process that data. That data is nothing but your final output. So inside that data you want to add some new fields, you want to delete some fields. So finally you need to make it as some array. With that array only you need to either display in a UI side, or you need to display that UI side in a table format, and you need to process some data inside that your project. So this is the real-time scenario. So let's see how we are going to implement this scenario inside that code level. So before that, so below you can see this is the overview of this example. So here I am just declared that one object. Inside that object students array there, that students array having that multiple objects with some key value pair. That final output how you want, like inside that students object it's a lot of key value pairs there, but we want only that name in a final output. So how to extract that only that name from that students array? So let's see, this is an example in a code level. Yeah, this is the example. So here we are having that responses object. So in a final output we just want only that student's name only, we don't want that student's ID. So then let's see how we are getting that only that student's name only. So in the next line I just implemented that map method in that response object. So here you can see response.students.map. that map method will accept that one parameter, that is an object. So that object is the current object. So we will access that student's name like that object.name. So inside that map method whatever the values we are returning, finally it will make one new array. So here we will get that final output inside that output variable. So in your last line I just console that output. Here you can see what is that value inside having that output. So let's take a look this output in a browser. So here I am just refreshing here. So here you can see, so this is the final output. So this is the array of elements, so having only that student's name only. So this is how we will extract some fields from that given JSON object to make a new array. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. See you in next video.